In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge duplicate customers in QuickBooks. If you've ever found two customer profiles that refer to the same client, merging them is the cleanest way to combine their history, payments, and invoices into a single record. The key is to carefully choose which profile you want to keep, then rename the duplicate to match it exactly so QuickBooks can merge them. Start by opening QuickBooks and heading to your main dashboard. From there, go to the Customers area. This is where you'll see your full customer list and can quickly scan for duplicates. Before you start, decide which version of the customer you want to keep. Usually, it's the one with the most complete contact information or the most recent activity. Next, open the other version of that customer, the one you don't want to keep. With that profile open, select Edit to open the customer details. You're going to change only the display name as it appears in the list so it matches the name of the profile you're keeping. This is important. QuickBooks uses an exact match on this name to trigger the merge. To avoid typos, it helps to copy the display name from the customer you're keeping and paste it into this field. Double-check every character. Make sure spelling, capitalization, punctuation, spaces, and suffixes like LLC or Inc. are identical. Even an extra space or a missing period can prevent the merge. If you're not sure, flip back to the customer you're keeping, confirm the exact display name, and then return to this window. When the name matches perfectly, click Save. QuickBooks will show a prompt explaining that it found an existing customer with the same name and asking if you want to merge them. Take a moment to read the prompt. Merging moves all transactions, payments, and history from the duplicate into the customer you're keeping, and this action can't be undone. If everything looks right, confirm the merge. After confirming, QuickBooks consolidates the records. The customer you chose to keep remains, now with all the activity from the duplicate, and the duplicate profile is removed. If you have more duplicates, repeat the same process. Open the one you don't want to keep, edit the display name to match the one you do, and confirm the merge. That's it. By carefully matching the name and confirming the prompt, you can clean up your list and keep your reports and customer history accurate and easy to manage.